It's normal to have a hard time picking the leg up and down, getting in and out of the car, getting in and out of bed, things like that. Do you have a strap like this at home with the loops?
No, I don't.
Okay. No big deal. Keep going there. I'm going to give you this strap for home.
Okay.
This is a gift from me to you. You can use this for some of those exercises. You can use this for the heel slides, the leg lifts, things like that.
Okay.
This has been my favorite. It's extra long, so it reaches everything, and it's comfortable. Take a break. Let me steal that. Let's put this down. I got it.
Okay.
And so let's do this. You can grab that end, and you can come down, as low as you need to. Let's get it around the foot. You can just do it just like this. You don't even have to have it in the loop. Let's grab probably here.
Okay. Halfway down.
Yeah. And so let's lift it up, far as you feel comfortable, and then back down. Let's do 10 lifts like this.
Okay.
So you can do this laying in bed. You can do it sitting in the chair. I want you to think about feeling this muscle work. The arms are doing most of it right now, but eventually the muscles on the thigh are going to do all of it by itself.
Okay.
So let's do 10. That's 3.